Hey everyone, I'm Prithvi Seth and welcome to my channel Plates by Prithvi.
Okay, Mr. Chef. As always, I'm gonna ask you, what are you making for us today?
So today I have a very special recipe for you guys and I'm gonna make palak paneer for you. I'm gonna show you how to make palak paneer very easily and very tasty.
Trust me, guys, the palak paneer that I have, which my baby makes, is like really tasty. So I am really hoping that you guys will love this recipe and try it at home. So without further ado, let's just ask Prithvi to show us the ingredients.
Yes. Over here I have 3 onions with about 6 to 8 garlic pods and I have put it in a food processor. Then I have 2 tomatoes again in a food processor. Then I have about 600 to 700 grams of paneer, medium block size. And then I have 1 onion and 2 small size tomatoes with about 4 to 5 green chilies. मैंने इसको क्या करा है कि मैंने इसको कुकर के अंदर बहुत थोड़े से पानी और ऑयल में एक सीटी लगवाई है, राइट. देन आई हैव बॉइल्ड पालक. दिस इज अबाउट 600 to 650 grams ऑफ पालक. तो इसको भी मैंने कुकर में 2 सीटी लगवा रखी हैं, राइट. एंड देन इन स्पाइसेस आई हैव धनिया पाउडर, नमक, जीरा, मिर्च, एंड दिस इज माय पनीर मसाला. एंड गाइज मैं तो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आई यूज मीट मसाला ऑल्सो, तो मैंने इसमें पनीर मसाला और मीट मसाला मिक्स करा हुआ है एंड उसका एक मसाला बना रखा है. एंड विद नॉर्मल पीपल हु डोंट लाइक, तो दे कैन गो विद एनी पनीर मसाला
And
ऑल्सो.
meat masala is veg, you guys. It's 100% vegetarian. You can switch over to the pack and see that. And we also have 4 red chilies here, which Prithvi forgot to tell us.
Yeah, as always. First and foremost, I'm gonna take about 3 serving spoons of olive oil. एंड गाइस मैं आपको एक और टिप दे दूं, जब आप मिर्च को, प्याज को और टमाटर को कुकर में एक सीटी लगवाएंगे, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट यू कट योर चिली फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड्स because you don't want it to explode inside the cooker. It has happened with me once. Yeah.
Okay, I think we can put our jeera in. Prithvi.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of jeera. I'm gonna put my red chilies in. Now I'm gonna put my onion inside.
Also, guys, the best part about any recipe by Prithvi is कि वो ना मसाला बहुत अच्छे से भूनता है. So when you're cooking, be patient and make sure कि आप अपना मसाला बहुत अच्छे से भूनें so that your masalas get mixed with the veggies very well.
Exactly. तो अब हम इसको प्याज को अच्छे से ब्राउन करेंगे. मैंने टेक्स अ डार्कर ब्राउन कलर and then we're gonna add our tomatoes in and then spices.
Okay, so I think I'm going to chill for 5 minutes till these onions are golden brown.
You can chill for about 20 minutes.
Okay, so 20 minutes it is then. I'll see you guys after 20 minutes.
So guys, अब आप जैसे देख सकते हो, our onion is totally brown. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes into it.
Okay guys, it's time for spices now.
Yes. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of dhania powder. I'm gonna take about 3/4 spoon of red chili powder. I might add a little bit more later on also. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of my paneer and meat mix masala, which you can put paneer masala also. And now we'll mix it. So guys, now mix करने के बाद मसाले, I'm gonna add cream to it. So I'm gonna add about 100 ml of cream right now, and I'm gonna add 100 ml later on. So total of 200 to 220 ml of cream it will take, but 100 ml goes right into the spices वाला मसाला. तो अब इसको हम एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट तक अच्छे से भुनेंगे. जब हमारी क्रीम थोड़ा सा ऑयल रिलीज़ करना शुरू करेगी, तब तक इसको हम थोड़ा मीडियम हाई हीट पे भून लेंगे. सो गाइस, बाय द टाइम मेरे मसाला भुनेगा, देयर इज अनदर स्टेप दैट वी हैव टू डू. वी हैव टू मिक्स दिस onion, tomato and spices with the palak. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a food processor I'm gonna take all the palak, put it in. I'm gonna add this. I think we'll do it in 2 goes.
Ninja multitasking skills. Only when you're in the kitchen, otherwise Prithvi can not do multitasking, you guys. If you're around him ever, you realize he's so bad at it.
So guys, as you can see, अब हमारा मसाला काफ़ी हद तक भुन गया है. Now I'm gonna add my पूरा प्रोसेस में किया हुआ पूरा पालक जो मैंने उस टमाटर और प्याज के साथ करा है उबले हुए. So guys, now I'm gonna put another 80 to 100 ml of cream. 100 ml इसमें मैं पहले डाल चुका हूँ, तो another 80 to 100 ml मैं इसमें और डालूँगा.
Sorry guys, that's my Instagram buzzing. Please ignore that.
So guys, यहाँ से now the thickness is totally on you. As you can see, this is quite thick right now. So I'm gonna put water in it once it's properly heated. So just अभी इसको हम इसी में भुनेंगे. So guys, I'm gonna take 3/4 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna taste it, and
Also, I'm just going to go back. Sorry, Prithvi, to cut you.
No worries.
The palak is starting to attract me now.
so now I'm gonna mix it and taste it first, and then see if I need more salt or no. So guys, I've put 3/4 tablespoon of salt right now. I'm just gonna taste it now. I'm gonna see, and if I think that it needs more salt, then I'm gonna add it.
This is scary to stand around this, Prithvi.
So now I'm gonna put 1/4 tablespoon of salt again, which makes it 1 full tablespoon of salt in this dish. So guys, now in a different pan, I'm gonna take about 3 serving spoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 serving spoons.
And we are going to fry our paneer. In this, you can put paneer like this completely to make it more healthier. We are making palak paneer in its proper manner so that it gives its full feel when you guys make it at home. So you can definitely try and avoid to fry paneer if you want to.
So guys, इसमें to give paneer the right flavor, I'm gonna put अपना वही पनीर वाला मसाला और मटन मसाला का मिक्स गरम तेल में.
Okay, you guys, so paneer is now done. You can see how pretty our paneer looks.
It's properly crispy.
Yeah. So this is how the paneer looks like. Made it crispy on both sides, and on the other side our palak is also almost ready. So let's just put this together and then I'll see you.
So guys, this step is not compulsory, but obviously because I like my food to be really rich, so I'm just gonna put 2 small blocks of butter in it, and that's my palak paneer is ready. I'm just gonna let this butter melt in it, and then I'm gonna add my paneer to my palak, and your palak paneer is ready. So guys, our now palak paneer is ready. I'm just gonna transfer my paneer into this palak with all that masala wala oil in. Just give it a soft mix so that I don't break the paneer.
So palak paneer is now ready. If you try this beautiful recipe at home, don't forget to tag me and Prithvi. You will love eating this palak paneer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Prithvi's channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it on all your social media handles if you love it. Until next time with a brand new video, love always, Meghna and Prithvi.